Is your 2010-2017 Chevy Equinox key fob not working reliably? It's likely the battery. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement. All 2010 to 2017 Equinox fobs use a CR2032 battery, costing just $2 to $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Replacing the battery yourself takes only 5 to 10 minutes and saves you $50 to $100 compared to a dealership visit. First, locate the small notch on the fob's seam. Insert your screwdriver or coin and gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, the positive side. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Equinox. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly installed and the fob's internal circuit isn't damaged. Weak signals may indicate other issues.